What's up guys, I'm going to take you through my day today. Just woke up, it's about 6, gonna go smash the gym. It's freezing.
Surround me, I get a fever that's so hard to bear. You give me fever. Bear, you give me fever.
Just got to work. Just got to work, gonna go work. I'll speak to you soon. Alright, just got back from work for lunch. What have we got here? Mince, chicken bread, peppers, bit of feta cheese, artichokes. Beautiful. Back to work. And we are done from work. Woo! Just finished playing football. We lost, which is shit, but I should have some pizza upstairs, which is always delightful. Woo! Pizza for dinner. What we've got is a cookie, one pepperoni mini pizza, £4, and one bacon and chicken. That is beautiful, beautiful. Perfect way to end a perfect day. I'm gonna smash these. Hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to like it. Don't forget to subscribe. If you didn't like it, tell me why. Tell me what you want to see, and I'll let you see it. I lost football today, so I'm not very happy. But I hope you have a lovely day. You prick.